Stream 1, please. Stream 1. Ang hirap nito Hey guys! What's up? It's Renee and welcome back to my channel! Barefaced yung intro ko kasi mag-get ready with me video tayo. So, it's been a while since I last did this, pero ayun, I'm very inspired talaga sa Get Ready With Me videos ni Bailey Sarian. I love her so much! You should check her out kasi sobrang ganda ng content niya. So, I'm really inspired sa Get Ready With Me niya. So, habang nag-Get Ready With Me kasi siya, nagkukwento siya. Pero, syempre, hindi natin gagawin yon kasi wala naman ako makukwento. Ang gagawin ko na lang habang nagbe-makeup ako is mag-answer ako ng K-pop questions. Actually, ginugol ko lang talaga yung questions kasi ba meron before yung mga TMI tag, mga ganyan, get to know me tag. So, naisip ko, why not K-pop questions? Just so you can know me more kung gaano ako ka-addict sa K-pop. Before we begin, be sure to click that like button down below if you're interested with this content. And if you want more Get Ready With Me content. And if you're new to my channel, please click that subscribe button down below and the bell notification beside it for you to be notified whenever I upload again. Alright, without further ado, let's now begin our Get Ready With Me video. First question is, favorite solo artist? I'm not really sure kasi most of the time group yung fina-follow ko. But I'm really fond of IU. Sobrang ganda ng mga songs niya and ang ganda ng boses niya. And oh my god, I first discovered her dun sa Dream High and hanggang ngayon, parang hindi siya tumatanda, no? Grabe. So, ayun. Siguro my answer would be IU, yung sa solo artist. And then next question is top 5 bias groups. Of course, first two will be BTS and Astro. And then, third is Super Junior. Kasi, oh my god, they're my first love. Fourth and fifth, actually wala. Kasi hindi ako multi-stan. And I don't want to be a multi simply because ayoko. Ang hirap i-manage siguro ng mga multi. Kasi paano kung sabay-sabay nag-comeback yung grupo mo? So, parang, do you ship anyone? Yes. Yes, I do. Sa BTS, Baemin. And then sa Astro naman, Busan. So, ayun. What fan group do you identify with? I'm an ARMY and also an Aroha. So, nakakatuwa kasi both of them, color purple yung fandom color. So, you know, hindi ko na kailangan magbago ng hearts every time I send one. Kasi usually talaga, ang mga sinesend kong hearts purple because of BTS. And now that I'm an Aroha as well, ayun, hindi ko na kailangan ma-stress kung anong color ng heart isesend ko. Charot lang. Ewan ko, big deal yung heart? Di naman. Nasanay lang ako. Ang ina-aim kong look is All Yours vibe. Kasi, oh my god! Release na ng All Yours. Stream 1, please. Stream 1. Next question. How did you get into K-pop? Actually, medyo matagal na akong fan ng K-pop. Ever since 2010 or 2011 yata. So, meron na akong higit 10 years sa K-pop industry. Hindi ako naging K-pop fan dahil dito. Pero before, sobrang nakuha ko sa Princess Rs. Yun kasi yung pinakaunang K-drama na napanood ko. So, I'm very much hooked sa Princess Rs. And then, syempre, that time, medyo bata-bata pa ako. Hindi ko masyadong maintindihan yung Korean dubs, ganyan. Hindi ko talaga siya masyadong na-appreciate up until napanood ko yung Playful Kiss. So, andun si Kim Yongjun. Kalimutan ko. Basta andun si Kim Yongjun. So, ayun, naging addict ako sa kanya doon dahil doon sa Playful Kiss. And then, that time kasi, meron siyang group called SS501. So, doon nag-start lahat. So, I believe that was 2010. Alam ko 2010 yun, nag-start. So, ayun na. Doon nag-start yun. Nag-start sa SS501. Kaya lang, nag-disband kasi ang SS501, diba? So, after SS501, ayun na. Super Junior Hardcore. As in, before bumili pa ako ng album nila na nilaunch dito sa Philippines, yung Mr. Simple. Kasi mayroong mga solo CD cover nun. And ang kinuha ko nun si Donghae. Grabe, no? Ang tagal na. Next question is, do you know how to speak in Korean? No, but I'm getting there. I'm actually nagbabalak ako Hangul lessons sa mid-April or early May kasi gusto ko makapanood ng V-Live na walang subtitle. So that's what I'm aiming for. Next question. Have you gone to any K-pop concert? Yes, of course! Ang first ever K-pop concert ko is Love Yourself tour ng BTS sa Singapore. So, I have a vlog there. So, kung ARMY ka and you want to know the experience, you want to feel the experience, feel free na panoorin yung vlog na yon. Kasi yung 15th minute mark doon, nag-start yung parang mismong concert. So, marami akong fan cam na nandun. So, yeah, feel free to check it out. Next question is, do you have any K-pop merch? Yes! Oh my God, I do have a lot of K-pop merch and most of them, ina-unbox ko talaga dito sa channel ko. So, you know, be sure to check them out if you're interested with unboxing content ng mga merch. Next question is, top 3 biases. Oh! Sa BTS, si Jimin. Definitely Jimin. And then sa Astro, Chaeunwoo, si Eunwoo. And then for the third, wala akong third bias kasi pantay-pantay na sila sa paningin ko. So ayun, si Jimin and then sa Astro, si Eunwoo. Next question is, what was the first K-pop song you immediately liked upon hearing? Perhaps Love, ayun. Yun nga, dahil nga sa Princess Arce yun, medyo nahook ako doon kasi ang ganda ng Perhaps Love. May Tagalog version pa yun, yung Pag-ibig na Kaya. And sobrang ganda, kaya ayun, nahook ako doon. I'm now done with my eyes. Let's now move on sa face. Next question is, do you listen to solo artists as much as groups? No. Most of the time talaga, ang pinapakinggan kong artist is groups talaga. Although yeah, there are times na nakikinig din ako sa solo artist. Pero madalas talaga na nasa playlist ko is yung mga group songs, ganyan, for BTS, Astro, soooo, ganyan. Ayun. Next question, what has been your favorite comeback of the year? Ooh, ang hirap nito Since di pa naman nagka-comeback ang BTS, I might say Astro's All Yours. Kasi, ayun, out na siya. So, stream 1, please, stream 1. And also yung other tracks, like, oh, they're so good. Next question, what is your least favorite concept or era from your favorite group? Since baby Roja pa ako, I cannot say much sa Astro kasi syempre, baguhan ako. But for BTS, wait. Siguro, for BTS, yung era ng Dope. Ayun. Hindi ko na sabihin yung dahilan. Basta yun yung parang pinaka-least na pinapakinggan ko. Next question, has your bias acted in any films or dramas at all? Yes. For Jimin, no. No. But for Eunwoo, yes. So, actually, na-meet ko ang Astro because of Eunwoo. Balad ko kasi si Eunwoo sa True Beauty and ayun, na-inlove talaga ako ng bongga sa kanya. Kaya ayun, na-introduce ako sa Astro. But for BTS, actually, si V nag-act din sa Hwarang. So, ayun, pinanood ko rin yung Hwarang kasi nandun siya. And for Chaeunwoo naman, so far, ang napanood ko is True Beauty, My ID is Gangnam Beauty, and Rookie Historian, Go Haeryong. Next question. Who was your first ever bias in the K-pop industry? I think nasagot ko na to. First ever bias will be Kim Young-jun. So, sa SS501 siya. Grabe, ang tagal na. My age is showing. Charot. So, ayun, si Kim Young-jun sa SS501. Kasi SS501 yung pinakaunang group na nistan ko sa K-pop. Next question is, which company is your favorite? Big Hit, syempre. Big Hit talaga. In terms of looks, which group is the best? BTS. Definitely BTS kasi grabe yung visuals nila every time na magpa-perform sila, every time na may comeback sila, talagang grabe yung step up nung games nila. As in, walang mintis talaga BTS. Next question, who would you want as a best friend? Definitely si Jimin kasi grabe talaga yung care niya sa friends niya, ganyan. Kahit sa mga variety shows, ayun, grabe yung care niya. Specifically sa BTS, ganyan. I love that kind of friendship kaya I'm picking him. Next question, which K-pop star do you wish to have a body like? Feel ko si Momo, kasi ang ganda-ganda ng katawan ni Momo. I like her figure. Momo from Twice, definitely. Next question, which K-pop star do you wish to have a face like? Feel ko si Ayu na lang, kasi ang ganda-ganda ni Ayu ng baby face niya. As in, diba, like I said, parang hindi siya tumatanda. Last question, which group would you like to work with in real life? Feel ko alam niyo naman na yung sagot dun sa tanong na yon. So, definitely BTS or Astro. Kahit sino dun sa dalawang yon. Ayan! So, we're done with our K-pop Q&A. Well, actually, ginugol ko lang yung mga questions na yun. But, we are done. This is my final look. And, ayan, medyo inspired ng All Yours to. Like, the purples and the blue dito sa inner corner. So, if you haven't checked one MV ng Astro, please do so. Please stream one. Please, 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 please. And also, I have an ongoing GA of Astro's All Yours album and BTS B Essentials and Deluxe album. So, be sure to check that out. Leave me a comment down below kung na-enjoy mo ba tong Q&A ko ng K-pop. What do you want to know more about my K-pop journey? And ano yung sa tingin mong hindi ko nasagot ng maayos? So, let me know. I'll answer it. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again on my next video. Bye!